Alright guys, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 1650. We got select from last night. So, as per always, after auctions I do any leftover stuff. Just so it's a common time so you guys know when to show up to watch it. Got James and Rick. Rick James. Sid. Newbie. Got Ed and Palfy's in there. Nick. Peppador and Sid. And 42 mLs there, and Newbie's got the Ninja. James, Sid, and Palfy with a 5+ wheel spin. Some Palfy, some Sid, Linda, Peppador, and Matt. Hey Matt, you're in here. Yeah, that's probably about right. And there we go. So Newbie's gonna get 12 darts. We're gonna do a couple wheel spins, and we'll get into that box. I've seen people say that before, Jason. Single bull, many times. Single 16. You can live on the street, but you can still take your hockey cards with you. Just put them in a bag or something. Double 15. Single deuce. Triple 14. Triple 8. 6 more. Oh, you got the Boom Sauce M. So all you got to do is spell out Boom Sauce, and you got yourself a card of choice. Single 6. Oh, I need to buy cards so bad. That's a miss. It doesn't count. The black bag. Single 15. Triple 4. Triple 11. Double 17. And double 19. So there we go. The black bag of spacers. Lots of spacers in there, man. Alright. 5+ wheel spin, starting with James. The wheel isn't as shady. It's actually pretty cool. James, it landed on Ottawa, Canadian team. That means you get 2 darts, Ottawa. I did spin it. Oh yeah, he's got no sound. Hey, don't swear, please. Keep it PG. We got kids hanging around. Double 5 and triple 16. Double 5, triple 16. Alright, Sid's up. I actually have that song on the video splash. You spin me around. The New York Rangers for Sid. And the Rangers are an extra dart for you. Yeah, I don't know if you've seen my video splash. It's pretty cool. So single dart for Sid. Yeah, I thought you had no sound. How can you hear the wheel spin? Triple 12. Yeah, actually Brian's been bugging me to paint it, but meh. I like it all grunge. Hey look, it's a piece of a dart and a playing card. Palfy, your first wheel spin. Jason, will you get something cool? Chicago. Chicago's a jersey card. Oh, I could cover it in base cards so easily. I'm gonna pick out a jersey card for you. I don't know what you want. You had Philly the other day. You had Philly in Brian's or in Zach's thing, so I'm going to give you this Frozen Fabrics of Luke Shen 2-color. Yeah, no Gretzky's for that bonus. But it's an extra jersey card for you. Alright, into the box. We're finally done all the shenanigans here. Get this box open. Here we go. Well, thank you for getting 5+. There's the cereal. Slice Galchenyuk's arm off right there, which is good because he's just a stupid have anyway. And that'll get a comment from Matt. There it is. Yeah, Niskuskin's good. And this is one of the few products, Paulfie, you got St. Louis Blues. This is one of the few products that has live Tarasenko autographs from Panini. Pulled a few. He does have redemptions too, but there's some live ones in here. Right. No Zygmunt Paulfie in here though. There isn't Paulfie in hardly anything anymore. Just too bad. He was a great player. Oh, you got. Oh, you went for the Avs too. Nice. I just pulled a nice McKinnon out of 99 a while ago. A couple boxes back. Alright. Can we get that Washington rookie in the first pack? No, Ottawa rookie for Paulfie. Jean-Gabriel Pageau. Can I pay my rent with... Oh, we got a thick one here. Can I pay my rent with hockey cards? Out of 50. Short print. Oh. Too bad it isn't McKinnon, but it's pretty sweet. For Paulfie. Calvin Pickard, Prime. Jersey Auto. Oh, look at that. 50 of 50. Rigged. New guy rigged. And Paulfie, you get it. We're on, actually, what are we on here? We're on 9s for this one, so you're going to get a 999 for that, for your cricket standings. Whereas Buddy said, for your confusing cricket standings. I know they're confusing, by the way. I still got a guy from 4 years ago who hasn't figured it out. Oh my god, a gold freezers. Unbelievable. This could be sweet. For James. Ron Hextall, gold freezers out of 10. Yes, it was a jersey, dual jersey, prime jersey auto. That's a sweet card out of 10 for James. There you go, buddy, number 5 of 10. Nice. That's going to get you a triple. Oh, I got a rookie refractor for Calgary and newbie of Ben Hanowski is too. Hextall is going to get you a 999 for your pile, James. There's 8 left in the new bin, guys. Very nice box so far. Double strike. Why not? Why not do another Ron Hextall for Philly and James? It's raining Hextalls. And Chad Ruido for Sid, rookie card. And one of these Game Center Lives for my floor when I sweep next year. Autograph out of $3.99. Hey, call for it and get it. For the Dallas Stars and Nick. Nuke. Valerie Niskuskin. Sheesh. Are you sure you didn't win Powerball, Nick? Fire and Ice from Montreal. And 42 ml. Normal version of Alex Galchenyuk. And we got a Phil Kessel for Sid, refractor. Not yet. Yet being the keyword, right? Alright. And this is our Washington rookie. Yes! Cameron Schilling. One Washington rookie per box going to James. I've had so few boxes without one, I just assume there's one in every box now. Holtby, awesome year. Short print autograph now. This is an epic box. For the Anaheim Ducks and James, Sammy Vatanen. Refractor auto, numbered 89 of 99. Very nice box going on here. So that one's going to you, James, too. That's going to get you a double. And refractor Mark Stahl for Ed. There you go, Ed gets a little piece of the box. He actually is pretty solid, isn't he? Cornerstones, Alex Pietrangelo for Jason. And Anders Lee for Sid. 2 packs left. Youth Explosion autograph. Michael Hutchinson for the Winnipeg Jets. And Jason. There you go, Jason. Boston jersey, but a Jets card, as you can see. That's going to get you a double 9 for your dart pile, because around the clock bonus, every hit counts for a dart. Well, not every hit, but ones that qualify. And last pack mojo on a very solid box of select. We got Bobby Hull Honored Selections, which will go nice with Ed's Bobby Hull autograph he got earlier. And last card is also going to Ed. It's a refractor of Johnny Tays. Nice. There we go, guys. Thanks so much for your support, and we'll catch you on the next bin, which is going to be select, or it's going to be trilogy in a few minutes. Have a good one.